Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify remote charging commands using Home Assistant integrations, full guide step by step clearly. To verify remote charging commands using Home Assistant integrations, start by ensuring you have Home Assistant installed and running on your device. Access your Home Assistant dashboard by typing the local IP address in your web browser. Log in with your credentials to enter the main interface. Navigate to the integrations page from the sidebar. Look for the specific integration related to your charging station. If you haven't integrated it yet, click on the Add Integration button and search for the appropriate integration. Follow the prompted instructions to connect your charging station to Home Assistant. Once the integration is set up, return to the Integrations page. Select the charging station integration to view its settings. Locate the section that allows you to monitor charging commands. Here, you can check the status of your charging sessions and remote commands. To verify a command, send a remote charging command from the dashboard. Check the feedback or status message that appears after issuing the command. If the command was successful, the status should update accordingly. You may also want to monitor the logs for any errors or confirmation messages. Access the logs by clicking on Configuration, then Logs. Search for any entries related to the charging command you just executed. Confirm that the logs show a successful execution of the command. To further verify, check the physical charging station for a response to the command. Ensure that the charging status reflects the new command you issued. If you encounter any issues, revisit the integration settings to troubleshoot. This may involve checking your network connection or the configuration parameters. By following these steps, you can effectively verify remote charging commands using Home Assistant integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.